Yes, welcome back to Jadi Bingidi TV. That's JDDB TV. So we are just about to light the fire. So as you can see, I did show in the other previous video before how to arrange the coal in the jerk pan to light it. Because that's what most people don't know how to do, and they spend sometime hours or almost an hour trying to light a coal stove or a jerk. So first you put the timber in, the arrangement of the coal first, as you see how I arrange it, and then you put in a few little pieces of stick. But in my cases now, um, I've just got limited amount. But when you're an expert in these things, you really, can just use any little bits of pieces of any little thing as long as it can lit to make to light the fire. Like I said before, many people use the that little thing that you go and buy in the shop. It's like a fire starter thing, like a white looking chalk thing. So what that is something that's soaked in oil, in like kerosene oil, stuff like that. And once it lit, it just keep burning and burning. But I never really like that. Some people may say the plastic, is poisonous and, pollution, but this is just a little piece of plastic. It's not gonna pollute anything that much. So there you have it. The plastic is light, so now I'm putting these stick right across. I haven't got much, but I will have to make it work because then I need to pack some coal on top of it. And this is where it's going to get tricky, like I said, for me now, because I haven't got enough stick to go across. So, but I'm making use of what I have got here. So you carefully pack the coal on top, just like this. Might look like it's not catching because a small amount of sticks, but they will catch, and the plastic is still burning down there. So yeah, this is it. This is it.